In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could see your favorites here on Roblox Mobile. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Roblox content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to go ahead and see your favorites here on the mobile app for Roblox, what you're going to want to do is first get onto the mobile app, and from the home screen, go ahead and tap more down in the bottom right corner. This is going to open up a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and select the profile icon and it's going to pull up this page. Swipe up in order to bring up this full menu and then scroll all the way down in the bottom in order to select View Full Profile. Once you select View Full Profile, it's going to take a sec to load, and once it does load, just scroll down and then you'll see your favorites option here. You can even select it if you have a bunch of favorites and scroll through all of them, but in my case, I actually only have one game favorited right now just for the sake of this tutorial. Now, if your favorites option isn't here, you can also tap these three dots up in the very top and just select favorites, and it's going to pull up that same page. But that's just if that first option isn't available. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.